Now we are going to see about the RC phase shift oscillator. Our aim is to design RC phase shift oscillator with VCC equal to 12 volt and ICQ equal to 1 milliamps and beta equal to 100, VC equal to 5 volt and F equal to 1 kilohertz and C equal to 0.01 microfarad and HF equal to 330 and AB is equal to 21. To find the oscillation, the components required are transistor, resistance, power supply, capacitance, CRO, breadboard and connection wires. And if we do the experiment in the PSpice or Multisim software, or else we can do this in the hardware components. Design example. By taking the value of VCC, ICQ, beta, VCEQ and FC, we can calculate the value of resistance frequency formula F equal to 1 by 2 pi RC root 6 is the formula for our RC phase shift oscillator, through which we can calculate the value of R, and it produces the sinusoidal waveform and whose amplitude and time period and frequency can be measured, and the output will be a sinusoidal waveform. We can also calculate the RE, RC, R1 and R2 parameters using this circuit design and calculate the capacitance value. Okay, theory about the RC phase shift oscillator consists of three RC network, and this is a low frequency RC oscillator tuned circuit, and it is not essentially required for oscillation. The essential requirement is that it must be produce 180-degree phase shift at the C circuit and another 180-degree phase shift at the RC network circuit. Therefore, totally 360-degree phase shift will be achieved. Connect the circuit diagram components as per the circuit diagram and give the input voltage, and we can see the output at the CRO in either Multisim software or in live hardware. Okay, sinusoidal waveform is obtained at the output. Next, Wien bridge oscillator. This is the circuit diagram for the Wien bridge oscillator. First, we are going to see the circuit diagram for RC phase shift oscillator, and this is the circuit diagram for the RC phase shift oscillator and the output waveform. This RC phase shift oscillator consists of CE amplifier stage and 3 RC stage. This CE produce 180-degree phase shift and this 3 RC stage produce 180-degree phase shift. We take the output at the collector of the BJT terminal and it produces the sinusoidal waveform at the output. Next, we are going to see about the Wien bridge oscillator. Wien bridge oscillator. Circuit diagram for the Wien bridge oscillator. It consists of two CE stage and the in stage is a Wien bridge network, series of RC combination and parallel of RC combination connected together and will produce 180-degree phase shift. And this CE network produces another 180-degree phase shift and produces sinusoidal wave, and the output wave amplitude and time period can be measured. What is Wien bridge oscillator? Wien bridge Wien bridge oscillator is one which produces the waveform in terms of Wien bridge oscillator is one which produces theory about Wien bridge oscillator, and it is an oscillator circuit in which the amplifier stage, that is CE stage, produce 180-degree phase shift and feedback network introduce additional 180-degree phase shift. This feedback network consists of RC series and parallel combination as a Wien bridge network. Totally 360-degree phase shift is obtained. The Wien bridge oscillator gives as a non-inverting amplifier and hence does not provide any phase shift during the amplifier stage. The total phase shift will be either 0 or 360-degree. The Wien bridge oscillator type has no phase shift through any network, therefore the total phase shift is 0-degree, and the output of the amplifier is applied between the terminal 1 and 3, which is the input of the feedback network, while the amplifier input is supplied from the diagonal terminal 2 to 4 of the Wien bridge network. It produces the output from the feedback network, and the amplifier supplied its own output through the Wien bridge as a feedback network. The output waveform is a sinusoidal waveform. We can measure the time as well as voltage. Connect the circuit diagram and give the supply voltage and measure the sinusoidal waveform at the output and plot the graph. Okay, now we can see the simulation output for the RC phase shift as well as Wien bridge oscillator. This is the circuit diagram of RC phase shift oscillator. It is consist of CE amplifier stage produce 180-degree phase shift, and this is RC network which produces another 180-degree phase shift. Therefore, total phase shift will be 360 degree. See how sinusoidal waveform is generated as an output. Now we can simulate using multisim live, and we can see how sinusoidal waveforms are generated. If we adjust the time scale, we can see the see how sine wave are generated. Similarly, we can vary the time period and see how the waveforms are. See the sine wave, how sine wave is generated using this RC phase shift oscillator. This is the output of the RC phase shift oscillator. Next, we are going to see about the Wien bridge oscillator. This is the circuit diagram for the Wien bridge oscillator. See, this is the 2 CE amplifier stage which produces 180-degree phase shift. This is a bridge network which consists of RC parallel combination and series combination. And when we simulate this, it produces a sinusoidal output waveform. See, there is some distortion at the positive edge, but the output is a sinusoidal waveform which we obtained in the Wien bridge oscillator. Thank you.